Hello everyone, I'm Prachi Chaturvedi, the artist behind the YouTube channel Prachi Chaturvedi Art. In this video, I'm not going to draw or paint this time. Instead, I'm going to unbox and give the genuine reviews about Faber Castell sketching pencils. This is not a sponsored video, so let's see how I felt about these pencils and what I can tell you about this. So let's begin. So this is my sketching book where I'm going to see how they all work, and this is the pencil box, the case, and I'm just flipping over so that I can take all the pencils out. This box do have this kind of plastic layering beneath these pencils so that they can stay intact in place. So these are the ones I have now. So let's begin with the darkest shade it gives. This is 8B. So let's see how they all work. 8B works quite dark. It is quite dark, I would say. Yeah, it is. So I'm just keeping one by one in the box as well so that it won't get mixed up, and I'll zoom a little so that you can see how it really looks like. Now this is 7B, which is again dark. I'm pressing it a little too much, not really much, but yes, I'm pressing it a little in the beginning, and as I come towards the right, I'm not pressing a bit, so it's light. Now this is 6B. Five B now. This is 4B. Three B. 2B. This is 2B. So all the B's have gone. Oh, this is one, just B. Before I go ahead, I want to say the major difference I had seen from 8B to just this B is when I was working with 8B, I felt it was quite thick and not so very sharp, the lead I'm talking about. And as I gone down to B, it was very sharp and very precise. So it's very dark, and as it goes down to B, it is lighter. This is more chalky, and then when it goes down a little, it is quite sharp. It's not as kind of the texture I would see, the feel I can have. This is very sharp and pointy. This is not. So let's go to the other ones. This is F. This is very sharp, I would say, and as you can see, it's very light as well. Hope you can see. Yeah, I can. Now comes HB. It's quite darker than F, so I should have shown it before F, I guess. So now this is H. Now I'm going to work with H. This is very sharp and pointy pencil. A lot depends on how much pressure you are putting on your pencil. This is 2H. This is going to be light as you want. So in this the lightest shade you can have is the 2H. Eight B. Then this is 7B. 6B. 5B. 4B. freebie, 2B, just B. This is F. This was very pointy, good for like drawing and all, the basic. HB, it's like a basic pencil. H, and then finally this is the 2H pencil. So this unboxing and the reviews thing, I would say, when you are sketching, as I have done a lot of sketching in my few years, I would say that these are really good. But those who are newbie, those who are new to sketching, I won't say that they should and they must buy Faber Castell pencils, and not because they are good or bad. They are definitely good ones, but these are quite expensive. But if someone is very new to this, I would say quite cheap pencils also work. Sometimes they got stuck somewhere, they got some kind of particles in them that they don't go very smooth on paper. So but of course these are definitely good ones, I would say, and I really like them. So let's see how they blend. So if you want to see how, I'll just see with the brush. It's quite good. It's kind of quite, it has some chalky kind of a finish. Very nice, neat. Let's come to this one. Definitely the brush is not going to be so much effective for 2H, but definitely this earbud is going to be effective on 2H. But I would say 2H pencil, or H and B, or HB and F, these pencils are good for drafting, for drawing, for making an outline, and for different kind of shades you need these pencils. For the hair and darkest portions you can use this one. And yeah, that's it. It is good, definitely. So in the next video I'm going to show you how how other pencils work and how they are in real, and I'll try to compare them. I actually do not remember how much I had paid for this box, but it is definitely a good one. So I'll just show you a few drawings which are not done by Faber Castell pencils, but local pencil from Michael's. So I'll just show you. So not this one. So as you can see, this sketch of mine, this is not a very expensive. I had not used a very expensive pencil in this, not very branded ones. So if you are a new one who is learning to sketch, do not worry to buy expensive pencils. A few pencils or a very not so famous brands also work. So this sketch is also again by not so very expensive pencils, and so on. These are all colored ones. I'll just show you the pencil ones. So as being an artist, I would definitely say something, that it's not about the brands you use, it's about the skills you have. The more you practice, the more you work, that matters a lot, not how much money you had paid for which kind of pencils. Just keep practicing. But yes, this is definitely a good one. I would say if you want to have the depth in your work and you want to make them more nice and good, you can spend a little money, and these are good. So if you, yeah, that's it. And I'll see you in my next video for more unboxing things and reviews. Do let me know in the comment section how you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it big fat thumbs up. And follow me on more videos of this kind, and I definitely would make some more interesting videos of this kind which can be helpful for the other fellow artists, those who are learning. And yes, of course, everyone is learning. I generally make the painting videos, so this is a new kind of video, and let me know if it somehow helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to it, and thank you so much. Bye bye.